smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
Just about to leave. It's not a bad place, brand new. Woo! First thing in the morning. It's cool. There's traffic. And we're on our way, the last day. Woo. Bridge ain't that wide with all the people. One thing I forgot to mention was that with new regulations in Europe, you have to register when you get to your hotel. So you fill in a government website that gives you a QR code that the hotel can scan. But most of the places we stay at are unmanned, so you then have to go in again and fill in another website, which is theirs, links to their establishment, and fill in exactly the same details of your passport and your address and everything. So you end up filling the same detail in 10 or 11 times because nobody uses the government website or the government issued QR code. I mean, we have time, there's not a great issue, I just thought it was quite funny. Back over the river, come from there, and then we head out of town still. A very large building with very well tended cemetery. All the cemeteries we've seen have been very well tended. And more potable water. A slightly older foal this time. That looks more like a donkey, to be honest. It's a donkey. We're following the main road for a bit, going through a car park of a huge hotel, whilst we find that we have to go straight on again. While everyone else is barking, these guys are fast asleep from a long way away. This lady, Pilgrim. This chap on the corner. Yeah, when I get close, you go away. You gonna give me a little something? Thank you. This is my horeo with a doghouse at the bottom. Good morning, day 12, the last day, going into Santiago. 25 kilometers it says, we'll see how much it is. But overall it's been a really good trip. So let's see where the day takes us. Cobbles or no cobbles? That is the question. This is a much better example of water and washing. The setup as it would be. And according to this, 20.45. This chap is beautiful. Hello. Keep coming back to this main road, which you have to cross. Even though there was zebra crossing, and to be fair, they really stop a lot of the time. we're not vehicles. We're pilgrims. That's really the first Camino Padron sign I've seen. Sort of doing the Camino in reverse, as it were. This is your domain. Hello. You're over there. What's that? There are too many dogs around. You're incredibly white. Almost forgot you. Hello. Yeah. Hundreds. Little goats. Getting better. This says 11 by the road. We've got 17 to go. Getting closer. Not quite sure what this is, but it's a lovely mural. Obviously dogs of some sort.
On each side?
Yeah.
Not bumping each other.
Wow. I don't think I've ever seen a decapitated one. Wow. Cool woodland walk. Just to break it up from the road. Listening to the birds, which, using the Merlin app, they're all wrens and robins and sparrows, birds we know from home. Just about to sit down, and this fella is in my seating place, but he's moving out the way, so that's the main thing. I can hear some music. Let's see. Another pianist. You go through villages, you get vehicles. Interesting. We've got a walking and cycle lane right beside a school. This guy noticed we were coming and suddenly started. The best we're gonna get. 987. Good for 100 meters. Not for bicycles. I have to go down a bit further and come back. But for pilgrims, if you want to take the shortcut, take the shortcut. The sign said 1 kilometre before the next bar. So that's what I'm heading for. Through the built-up area before we can get to a little forested area. Hopefully we can get a bit closer to Santiago de Compostela. Straight into a cool forested area. Tall trees. Multiple arrears. This one's got fairly recent wood. Get a arreo. 2 lovely horses. Very calm. So it's a great sign. You can go either way to Pontevedra. Just 5.5 kilometers to go. You get more stamps and trinkets. He's the size of a wolf, but it's a hot day and I'm not chasing pilgrims. It's also a very hot day for cats. Not your best position, dear. So broadly speaking, it's all uphill from here to get to the cathedral. Come up over a rise and they're selling wax seals. Here we go. Letting you know the sign. 3.5 kilometers to go. Just coming in. It's a big city, so you can't avoid these sorts of streets and noises. Not too far away. And it is coming out into the square. Last few moments. And here's the square. Lots of pilgrims who've made it. Waited long enough for the train to come in, do its circle, and go out again.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.